Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So guys, today the video is very special because we are going to share one important thing with you. And I know from last few days and few weeks you are seeing our pictures, like where we are visiting, what are these new pictures and where we are traveling. So I'm going to let you know where we visited. Basically that is the Thailand tour Phuket, and this is Thailand, Southeast Asian country, and this is really known for their beaches, island and natural places. It's really beautiful place, and from India, it's east side of the India. You can see in the map here itself. So we are going to show all the details in first day, second day, third day, and how many days we spent, and each day where we were, and what are the cost of these things. So let's start for the video. In the first day, basically we have spent there 5 days and 4 nights, and in 5 days we were at different places. So first day we taken the flight from Singapore to the Thailand, and that is Phuket. And uh, that flight also I let you know, like from where you can book, and how is the discount and how is the cheapest you can book for it, what is the best season to visit Phuket there. So first day basically we taken the flight and we reached the hotel. So first day is for you taking the rest, and second day is the Thailand day tour, day 2, where we visited Tiger Kingdom. There you can touch the tigers. Is the ticket also very costly, so depends, like for cub, for medium tiger or large tiger you want to visit, and that's very scary if you really won't go there and later you cannot get your refund. So make sure before going you have confirmed you really wanted to go. After this you have elephant ride and big Buddha. Later I will be sharing the photos for it, monkey show. So all this is a list of places we have visited in day 2, and day 2 it was little bit rainy season, that's why we were able to visit less places, and we have big family members also, around 10 people, so it was taking time for us. Next is the day 3, which is for Phi Phi Island, and related to Phi Phi Island, as you can see in the map, is like a bamboos island, monkey beach, Kai Island, Viking Cave, Pilai Lagoon, Lo Samha. So there are 8 beaches or islands, everything where we were visiting in one day. It's like a speedboat, and they will be taking you to a different place, and they have specific time, and they will be giving you a few minutes and hours to spend time there and take photos. And next day was day 4, where we have visited James Bond Island, Koh Peng, Penang Cave, Penai Island, Hong Island, and Yei Island. So here you can go for different activity. It's like boating, snorkeling, and swimming. So all this activity also it will be part of this one. So it's a similar. It's through the speedboat, and they will be taking you to a different island. Um, and then the last 5th day was the cashew nut factory visit, honeybee farm, Shillong temple, and old Phuket town. So we have visited, and on the same day at the night we have flight which is back to the Singapore. So I know guys, you all are curious like how much time is taken, and how you have planned, what are the things you have to carry, and how you have to book the hotel, how much for the total trip, and where to book the package for the trip, how to take the boat. All these questions you have in your mind. You also might be thinking how you can apply for the discount if you have any, how to take taxi and other is expensive, the hidden charges what are included. So guys, this is a short overview of the Phuket tour, Thailand, which I have prepared to give you the overview. And apart from this, I'm going to prepare all the videos in sequence, which will give you the clear idea with the cost, how much we have spent. So for that, what you have to do, you have to subscribe to our channel, because most of the viewers which are watching our YouTube channel is not subscribing, and it's really demotivating us. So to motivate us to prepare a video is a better way. Please subscribe to our channel, and we are going to share you the most important details in all coming videos, so that if you really wanted to plan for your Phuket or Thailand trip, you can make it. So guys, hopefully this video will be very useful, and we will continue in the next video. Thank you very much in the time. Take care. Bye bye. Stay safe. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video we are going to show our first day, how we spent and how we have traveled from Singapore to Phuket, Thailand. So everything we are going to show in this video, what are the packages and from where we have bought it, what are the hotels, what are the facilities available, where the first day dinner we have done. So everything we are going to share in this video. Guys, before that please subscribe to our channel because we're really putting lot of efforts, and we are trying to bring the information so that it will be cost effective for you if you're planning to go to Thailand. So first of all, we have decided to go through the bus, because from our home there is a direct bus, only one stop was there. In between there is a one bus needing to change, and it's around 45 minutes from our home. And before that you need to exchange money. We have converted $1,500 from here, and better you convert from here, because after getting down in Thailand you are not sure what is the conversion rate and what are the places. Even though there are a lot of places and everywhere it's very easy, but safer side, you just keep some money converted in advance itself. So altogether we are total 10 members. We were going together, and it really was lot of enjoyment, lot of fun was there. And moreover, we have booked the budget airlines, and in that budget airlines, for per person ticket is $150 around. And if you are booking in advance, maybe you can get cheaper, maybe 2 or 3 months before. If you want to book, you will get the cheaper flight ticket. And if you have membership on top of that, you can also go for it. I will let you know the what website where you can compare the price, so that you can get the cheapest one. And apart from this, you need to take care of your baggage size, because baggage size may cost you extra charges. We paid $60 extra, and few things which you are not allowed to take it. So make sure whatever the instructions are given, you only taking and carrying those things only. Luggage are not included inside, so if you want you can add in advance itself. Later they will be charging very huge amount from you. We paid $60, so I don't want you guys to pay $60 any other extra money. After you get your security clearance and immigration, there's a duty free. The lot of number of shops are there, all are duty free. There is a no tax. So if you really want to buy something for your friends and relatives, even for you also, you can buy it. It's really reasonable here to buy it. And we have taken the budget airline, so there is no food and drinks in the flight. But if you really want to take that, is also you can go for it, take for it. This is Terminal 4 what we have taken the flight, and this is a newly built terminal in Singapore. So first time we have taken flight from this Terminal 4. Once you go inside, it's take around 1 hour and 40 minutes. And the Singapore timing, Thailand is 1 hour behind the Singapore timing, so you can convert as per India timing. India timing is 2.5 hour behind the Singapore time. So all in this discussion I'm going to tell you about Singapore dollar and Thai baht. Later if you want you can convert into Indian currency. And as I already told, no food and drink are allowed, so better you carry your own one, or you can order also in the flight itself. Once you get down, you can get the SIM card, which is 299 baht. And on the it's 8 day or 15 days valid. I think 15 GB data, which is well sufficient if you are coming for 5 days or 1 week in Thailand. Once you go out, you can see there are a lot of taxi options. Better not try to take from the airport itself, because they will charge you more. Once you go out, there are two options, Grab options, or there is a taxi booth itself. So from Grab, when I check, it was around 1200 baht, and if you book taxi, it's coming around 1300. I am showing you receipt also. So what you can do, first time we have taken the taxi because we were not sure how it was. So it's like a mini taxi where 10 to 12 people also comfortably it can come. It's very easy, and from airport to first dollar baggage everything. And once you reach, the bus driver will take a break, because they have strategy to take you to the office, and there they will try to show the package. If you're really comfortable, you go through it, take the price range, and keep it for your record. But I would suggest to go at least three or four, because in Thailand every street there is a travel agent, or where you can take the package. It's very cheap there. So don't try to take at the first attempt. First you go and then only you can buy, you can save your money. So if you really don't want to take any tension, the packages booking also very easy for you. You can go for package. We have taken 4-day packages where Fifi Island, James Bond, City Tour. So these were all included with the tickets. Few charges were extra.
Hello, สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Thailand.
Okay, so for package,
For the package from Phuket, PB Island, James Bond Island, and the sightseeing here, so you can come to visit us. I can take care of you.
okay.
So I'm going to give you number of this air travel agency. If you want, you just check with them, but I would always suggest you guys go first and do your own calculation, observation, checking, and then only you book the package, because it may be cheaper there and any other place. So the website what I'm going to tell you, where you can compare all flight tickets, it's Skyscanner. There are a lot of sites available, but usually I do comparison with the Skyscanner. You can enter the source and destination with the dates, and you can get all the flight tickets with the cheap and costly tickets. And the cheap you can select as per your convenience, and then it will take you directly to the website. Similar for what I have done, I went to the Skyscanner and then check for the dates, and it's coming around $150 per person for me. And Jetstar I taken membership, so 10% I got on top of it. So if you have any kind of membership also, like Air India, Singapore Airlines, or any other, you can take it. For the hotel booking, you can choose either Agoda and hotel booking. For us, a Marine Hotel Patong we have booked. It's very reasonable, because we already know whole day you will be roaming around. At the end, you only need for the sleeping, taking rest. So it's up to you. This is what we have find the reasonable one. You can also select this one or maybe other options as per your convenience, as per your budget. So once we reach to the hotel, all the Wi-Fi password, everything, they immediately they will share you. This is the small hotel tour what I'm going to tell. If you have kids with you, definitely you need little bit small kitchenette where you can wash vessels and clean bottles, water, milk bottle or kids bottle, anything. The room is very well spacious. I mean, enough for the person, because we have taken 2 rooms, so it was very enough for us. I feel it's very reasonable. But again, it's up to you what kind of hotel and what budget you have. Accordingly, you can bid. Nearby hotel, 2-3 hotel, IB's hotel, I have taken pictures. So you can do one thing also. We have booked for 3 days, but you can book for 1 day. Later you can either extend with the less rate, or you can change hotel and after exploring nearby. So that option also you can try, because there are a lot of hotel everywhere on each and every street. There are a lot of hotel and travel agencies, so you don't need to worry. Even exchange money also there. The food restaurant, we have asked from the hotel owner and they have suggested this nearby. This is a vegetarian restaurant in Thailand. I was really scared whether I will get vegetarian restaurant or not, but I tell you, there are a lot of options of vegetarian, because many Indians stay there and vegetarian options are there, but it may be little bit costly. So you need to explore the hotel also, and you need to see everything will be written in the menu how it is. So guys, this is how what we have spent our day, and how we reached from Singapore to our hotel, how we have done dinner. So in next day we are going to let you know on the day one where we have visited, what are the places we have explored, what is the cost, its charges for us, everything. So keep watch for the next video, and if you like this video, please subscribe and share and like. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye. Thank you very much.
Inside, yeah. I show you where I park my big tuk tuk. Okay, good power.
This is big or small?
Yeah, big, big.
Oh.
Park.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we came with a brand new video especially for you guys, and in this video we are going to take you to the Thailand Big Buddha that is very famous and its iconic statue, and definitely you will get to know about Big Buddha, how it looks like, what is the nearby places, and how the experience was. So everything I'm going to share in this video, and please watch this video till the end because you won't know what basically happened with this. And in this video you can see there are 2 times we have taken a photo in 2 different dress. That is also I will let you know why we have changed our dress. So first of all, we have taken a mini bus from our hotel to the Big Buddha, and it's around one hour approximate for you by a bus and minibus, and this is also included inside the package. And for this there is no ticket is required. You basically can go and there is no ticket for it.
Right, yeah. I show you where I park. Okay, we walk.
Basically the moment we reached it was really heavily raining, and fortunately we got some time because when we reached to the Big Buddha statue the rain nearly stopped for 10 minutes, and that was very good for us. And by that time we just have taken our raincoat. And we just start taking photos. And this raincoat machines, if you want, you can, there's a machine, then you can withdraw from there. And if it's required to have raincoat there because you don't know when it's raining, so we have purchased a raincoat. There, and the moment we reached Big Buddha the rain is already stopped, and we decided to take off our raincoat, and then we start taking our photos as a memorable part. So if you guys see, this Big Buddha seems to be very small, but it's not very small. It's around maybe 50 feet or 70 feet around, and that's really very huge. And once you reach near it you will get to know how big it is. And now this is another photo where we have taken the photo with the different dresses. Guys, I'll let you know why we have changed our dress. Basically, the first we went to the Big Buddha second day, but unfortunately it was raining and we were not able to make it because we have to move for another place and it was fixed timing. So for that we decided not to go up. Then later time, unfortunately for the 5th day we got a time to go to Big Buddha, and there we went near the Big Buddha and we did prayer. And nearby places we have visited, there is a big circle near the Big Buddha, and there is people also sitting doing meditations. So here you can have a glance. this city view, which is very awesome, and you can enjoy this beauty of the Phuket. This is actually Patong beach, which is very near to our hotel, just 2 minutes. So even you want in daytime or morning time sunrise or sunset, that time also you can go. It's up to you. The hotel is very near. Actually, mostly hotel are very near to the Patong beach. So the van is very nice actually, because it will be included in your package. So the van also they will provide. This van person will be staying with you all over the day. All luggage you can keep inside, all things you can keep inside, even the heavy bag, and later the small carry bag you can keep with you. So the places today, we are going to go 4 places. One is elephant ride, monkey show, tiger kingdom, very scary, and finally the fantasy, very beautiful fantastic show. Hope this is you see, and definitely you really feel to go there actually. Okay, here we are giving a view of mini bus. It's very convenient. There are at least 10 to 12 people can come inside. So if you are planning with your friends, relatives, so that is also you can go together, because it's very convenient, cheaper in a taxi travel or all kind of rent. We are going to let you know about the visa arrival, because visa arrival it's one tax 22 Thai baht what we have paid. It's visa on arrival, so it's actually very costly. So you just need to make sure like you have visa arrival form with you. We have given the description for the visa arrival form. Keep it ready, paste the photo, everything, then only it's easier for you to get the visa arrival without wasting any time at the airport. And the first of place, we went to the elephant ride. You basically need to go and bargain with them. This will not include in your package, so either you need to specifically ask the agency whether this elephant ride is included, tiger kingdom is included or not. Else they won't let you know. Later you go and then only you need to pay, then only you will get to know. So we have taken separately because they clearly told us it's not included inside. So it's very nice experience to have an elephant ride. So it's like 3 elephant. So we all were sitting. It's two or three pairs like that. We were sitting, 1 or 2 pair. The person who was handling, I think Mahavat. It's also very talkative, or sometimes very comfortable. They will help you to take photos if you really want. It's almost 30 minutes ride that you can take, and they will take you near to the small jungle, and there is a walking place where they will take you. You can take many photos and you can enjoy the difference, and you can enjoy the elephant ride. It's actually, when you will sitting on the top, it's moving a lot. So as you can see, my body movement is moving a lot, so you need to be hold tightly. I mean, it won't be fall down, but you need to hold tightly. Then after this you can go for elephant food feeding. You need to buy separate bananas. For that you need to pay separate money, so you can feed to the elephants. It's really great experience. They will give you many bananas in one plastic bag, so you can feed elephant and they also will be happy. So after this we went to the monkey show. Actually we adults were not go inside, but kids were very I mean, kids were really eager to see how the monkey, so they went and they enjoyed the show. So it's like a monkey interaction show. First minutes you can take the food for the monkey and you can feed them. And second one will be the very interesting, because it's like a show. Monkey will show you different type of stunt. It's like holding coconut, and they will be rolling the coconut. That's very interesting. The instructor will give him instructions, and he really taking it very nicely. You will feel like he is the actually human being itself. I mean, we are inherited from the monkey only, but this monkey are so trained. They are 4,000 people were there, and it's like a fantasy dinner time. It's 6:30 to I think 9 o'clock. That time you can have your dinner. It was very wonderful. Lot of different options, vegetarian and non-vegetarian options were available. We were vegetarian, so vegetarian also you have lot of choice. So this is a place where you feel the feeling of royal. You can see the decorations, how the service they're providing each and every place. This is 45, and 8:45 you have to go inside. It's like very big palace. All the way inside you have to go. They will ask you to keep your camera. You cannot carry anything. So unfortunately for camera I was not, I mean for the show I was not able to capture anything. But trust us, believe us, maybe I will just take some glimpse from their website and put it here and you will feel awesome. So fantasy also I would tell it was included in our package and with the dinner itself. So if you really guys want to go, I would suggest you at least go once in your life. That's really reasonable and worth with the package. They will give you some discounts and it will be less. And after the show finished, there is a phone camera pickup line, and very fast they were clearing at the end everything, and within 15 minutes everything will get clear. You won't feel it's too rushed. They were handling so many people and we just came out and it really was awesome experience. At outside also you can take a look of their outlets. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So this is recap of our video of day 3 of Thailand tour. So we are going to let you know everything about in this video, and definitely you are going to enjoy this video, and a lot more things are there. So keep watching this video till the end, because all the informations, what are the place, everything, all incident what happened with us, we are going to share in this video. So let's start this video. And before, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, please subscribe and press the bell icons, because this really help us to motivate us in preparing the better video for you, to bring lot more information, so that whatever anything we have faced, any issue, you are not going to face it. So first of all, this is a place where everybody have to reach. I think from here each and every island you can go. So first it's a third day, where we are going to Phi Phi Island, and these are the islands we are going to cover. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 islands, including lunch. Breakfast also they will provide you, so you no need to worry about anything.
So Maya, they just walk around, relax on the beach, okay? And after Maya Bay, we will come to Thai Island. When you get to Thai Island, you can swim on the beach, relax on the beach, try some drinks,
But somehow the food might not be as per your taste. But if you're vegetarian, we are vegetarian, so for us at least we got something. So there is a, after you do all your registrations, you have to go to one place. From there you can board onto your speedboat. Ferry also you can take, but I would suggest to take speedboat, because it's having more speed and it can cover many areas, many islands. So we prefer to take, it's little bit costlier, but everything was included inside our package later, and we will prepare one video like how much we have spent in our trip, everything we are going to share. So from there you can see we are around 30 to 40 people in one speedboat. There is a front area where you can sit,
Hello.
few seats.
Hello Rajesh. Abi Kabi.
And there are a lot of space at the back side, where around 20 to 25 people can sit, total around 30 to 40 people can come around. And water and drink, they have a lot of unlimited. You are not limited to have it. You can have as much as you can drink, so all the while you won't feel any dehydrations, and you feel energetic, because this will really help you to make you hydrate.
आगे लैंड देखो
So this is a small beach where you can see monkey, but this beach is not visible because the water level was higher, very high. And guys, I'm not going to talk in this video, because this is natural beauty of video. I want you guys to enjoy the beauty of this place.
Hey Jal.
And after this there is a place Phi Phi Don Island, where they will take you, and there are a lot of options, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. So we specifically told them we are vegetarian, so separately they have brought something. It was not that much good, but okay, as of now, I mean, we don't have any options for bringing from your place, that's fine. But if you don't have anything for having, then you can have it here, and there are a lot of options to buy things, that is also you can buy here. And backside there is a place where you can go down and it the water level also 3 feet, so you can kids also can go down, and the elder kids also, and the people. Then there is a swing where you can sit, but this swing will float in the water, so you don't have stability. This is a backside view. Each and specific time they will give you the time slot, like okay, you have 1 hour, you can have your lunch and you can roam around, and that time is really sufficient because they day to day they are taking every each and every 2 weeks, so they know how much time is sufficient. So after having our lunch, we are waiting for the speedboat to come at the seashore, and we all are waiting so that we can board and we can go to the next place. So after this, they will take you to the Philae Lagoon. This is one of the very beautiful place. It's surrounded by the mountains, and it's a place in between. They will take you in between and surrounded by the mountain. There is one way to go in and out, and there they ask you to stay. Maybe if you are very good in swimming, you can go dive, you can swim around very good. But for us, we are not very expert, so we just stayed in the boat, and you can see the people swimming, and if you are very good. But we were inside and we are taking photos. That place very beautiful. It's really worth to go at least once your life there, because then only you will feel how beautiful nature is. Next is Maya Bay, and that is also one of the place, and the place I'll show you, it's very awesome. I think this is a place I like it most. It's like a they have made some stairs so you can walk on it and you can take some photos. For view was very awesome, and there is a way to go all the way to the backside of the beach. Basically, this is that end of this there is a beach, and that beach, I think Kamuna Pyar shooting was happened. So the view was very awesome, and you will see in this video. It was very strong wind. Even you can see from over here is shaking a lot.
Hello. Say hello.
And especially kids, they enjoy it a lot, and everybody doing their own things. They want to go inside water, they want to play, they want to collect sand, they want to write their name. They are taking photos, mountains. Oh my god, that was so beautiful, and it's really nice to have this experience. And after spending 1.5 hour, 1 hour around, we went back to the speedboat, and there will be, I think you can see 2 person always there, total 4, one for guiding, one for boating drive, 2 behind for helping people to boat in and board off, because every time you get in, get down, you need somebody to support so that you don't fall down. And it's first come first serve seat. Wherever you like, just first come and get it. But usually once you have fixed seat, the people try to sit on the same place. They won't be taking any other space.
Đúng rồi, đúng rồi. Không được tắm, không được tắm. Cái này không được tắm. Mặc đồ.
We just sitting beside the driver so we can see how he was driving. Even we not so expert, but just trying to see how he's doing.
Thằng ní mấy ông ấy. Dạp lên.
And now it's time to leaving from this island, and we are going to next island, that is Sky Island.
They got outside all the way. An idea.
Guys, just to share one experience with you, what happened when we were going. We never seen the weather forecast how it was, but unfortunately the weather went bad, and it was really shaking weather, and you can see the lahare, the samudra lahare. I mean, it's so high, so it was very difficult for us because the water also sprinkling and going into the boat and coming on our face, so everybody covering themselves. And unfortunately we should supposed to go to the next island and have to do swimming and snorkeling, but I think because of bad weather we were not able to go. We thought it's temporary, maybe for 1 hour, 1.5 hour, maybe this person doing very they themselves is doing, but it's not the thing. It was real one, the bad weather. And after we requested from this guide, they have taken our request and they taken us to the port. We never went to the next island. So this unfortunately thing happened. So if you want to come to the Thailand, make sure you are not going especially to the rainy season, because this is rainy season, and especially that day it was raining. And you have to see which is not a rainy season so that you can enjoy your island time, else you might face all these situations. In these situations the speedboat also was not able to control so much. Instead of taking 1 hour, it taking 2 hours. So we were thinking how long it will take us to reach to the port. And especially we had kids, initially it was so fun, but later we all tired, we were not able to make it. We all were praying, okay, we should supposed to reach port as soon as possible. And we also appreciated the speedboat person, because they every day, no matter it's rain, it doesn't rain, they go and do their work, because they have to get money for their families, so that they can feed them. So for them it's like a job, but for us it's like a fun. So we also appreciated their efforts. So it's really nice. After we reached, we went to home and we had very nice dinner. It was very yummy. And after a struggleful day, we all were so tired. We came to the port around 5 p.m. Then reached home 6. After taking some rest, having dinner, we went for a Potang beach watch or Potang beach walk. It was very near from our home. It's around 5 or 10 minutes walk, and it was very quiet. Nearby there are a lot of hotel options. You can also go there. And as I suggested before, if you really want to save money, one day you book from the website online. Once you reach to the island, then you can find and explore the option which is very cheap. Then you can go and reserve a room there. That is more better instead of book online, because online is charged as per your currency. Singapore dollar more costly. India I'm not sure, but you can try these options. Anyway, you can also extend your same room. That is also a good option, but you need to check in advance whether they have a available one or not. So after all this struggleful day, it's so much thing happen in a day. We went many places, and especially we have kids, it's very difficult. We went for a peaceful site which is Potang Beach. Potang Beach also very famous for their sitting area, for chit chat, for the street shops, because in daytime there are a lot of options, but night seems to people all move away. It was very quiet when we reached, and very less people were there.
हैंड इनसाइड, इससे बोलो हाथ अंदर करेगी.
So kids, they enjoyed, and it's really nice day. It's very memorable day together with the family, and it's had a lot of fun. Enjoy this video, and see you in the next video, which is day 4 video. And definitely this day 4 video is going to be more interesting than rest of the video. And please keep your question posted in the comment box if you want to get any information about Thailand tour, so that we can guide you as per our experience, so you won't face any difficulty. And this video we are preparing so that whatever experience we have, bad or good, we are sharing with you, so that at least we can save your time and money, which is really important. And we are really putting lot of efforts, because we are recording.
आणि नेवटी हाय फाय.
Go.
अरे बस बेटा बस.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we came with a brand new video, which is day for Phuket, Thailand, and I'm going to tell you what we have done and how we spent over there. This is very special because we are going to visit James Bond Island, so everything I'm going to share with you. We started with the starting point and had a very heavy and nice breakfast, that is specially English breakfast. There are a lot of things that you can buy if you need for your swimming, or because the water area everywhere, so you might need the swim items. And these are the map where we are going to visit, and hope you like this video. Keep watching all the videos and definitely you will enjoy it.
Please, are you ready to enjoy with me? Yes. Can I check from your voice? Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you very much. Today we are going to Hangnabe is easy, relaxing. You know how to make you enjoy. Smile, smile. And please come back on.
Good.
Music. No, it's good. Today it's good weather. Yeah. Now it's good weather, but maybe in the weather is shade, if the rain come a bit windy. Welcome to the third island. Now we are Phang Bay. Around here we call Phang Bay. We belong to Phang Bay. And the part that have been island. All together 105 island. But we cannot go inside the lagoon by boat. We look inside by boat. 1, 2, 4, 2, 1 written for you to inside the lagoon. Bye. Camera for the picnic. You don't want to protect you. Go by. Don't put in your pocket. Go on or hang on. When you put in your pocket, you sit on the roof, go down.
Two.
No?
This 3, 4, 2 together.
โอเค
Bye, beta. Hello.
Later.
Enjoy.
Let you first. Sit down.
Nani saja, हम आ रहे.
Arya,
We are coming. We are also coming. Next boat.
okay.
Oh, bye.
Lisa.
चलो.
Oh, come.
पहले मुझे तो नारी लेके.
You first. In the middle. Sit down. Boss.
I sit. You take a. Bye.
Here. ทองรุดมาแล้วเดี๋ยวนะ sit on your bum ในอาคารนี้วิดีโอเหรอครับเธอ
कहाँ गई फैमिली? फैमिली वेयर? Oh, they went there. Yay! Nice.
Water. You want to touch the water? Water.
Namaste to you.
We came from India to Singapore and Thailand. Catch me! Honey, catch me!
Bye.
I'm coming! I'll catch you!
Okay, we change.
Very heavy, mama, see?
Yay!
Oh, fish will bite your hand. Oh, crocodile, fish. Kavi, I'm coming. I'll throw water on you. No, I'm coming. Wait.
अरे बस बेटा बस.
Rajesh! Kहाँ? वो देख कहाँ बैठ के फोटो खींच रहे हैं. नमस्ते। ये कभी के ऊपर मम्मी ये ज्यादा कर रहा है, कभी 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 उधम कर रहा, कभी हाँ कभी कर रहा, कभी कभी कोई बात नहीं। फोटो ले लेना है।
The mountain rock Kong Island. Inside the Cape Rock.
Oh my God, I'm scared. Honey, I'm scared.
ते भाभी को देख लुढ़क पुढ़क के हर जगह फोटो ले रही है।
Yeah, one by one. Honey, first you go, then we go.
अब मत गिर, बहुत सारा पानी गिर दूंगी।
अभी सारा वसूल कर लिया पैसा, अभी हेलो तो कर दो, ऊपर हो गए। See James Bond 2 Island अभी, that is James Bond 2. James Bond 2. Wait, sit. Wow.
और छोकरी
कभी को भिगो तो मामा इस तरह, ये बहुत ज्यादा इतरा रहा है। अन्य आप नीचे कर लो।
अरे हम पानी भर नीचे।
मम्मी हम नीचे क्या करें?
वो देखो उनको यार, इससे जब साइड में निकाल लो पैर में।
हाँ ऊपर निकल। अरे बना ले हमारी राजेश, हम तेरी बना रहे। कहाँ गया कैमरा? हैं? हमारी बना लो भाई, तुम हमारी हम तुम्हारी।
देखो बदले का बदला।
बाय बाय। देखो मामी जी से बाय। वेज बूवी क्या, तो बूवी काम, बूवी काम, बूवी काम। कौन? अरे इनके तो भाई ऊपर पानी फेंको, मन नहीं लग रहा कभी का है कभी। मम्मी ये तो एक्सपर्ट है पानी फेंकने में, इससे पंगा मत लो। पानी फेंकने में एक्सपर्ट है। चार वोट तो हमारी फैमिली की हो गई। अरे ऊपर मत बिठा, इसको लुढ़क जाएगी। कभी नहीं, बस बस कभी बस। मम्मी बस बस बेटा, बस बस।
या
I am Papa.
देखो मामी जी से बाय। लेट्स बूवी क्या, तो बूवी काम, बूवी काम, बूवी काम।
Secret pira बैठ के रहा।
कौन? अरे इनके तो भाई
पड़ेगा ना। What is the island name?
Kong Island.
Hong.
Kia bằng Lào.
Honey, look at me. Say hello. Oh my God, you're controlling the boat. Very good. Hello. Hello.
नीचे टच कर ले मेरे को।
Pumped. Nice. ओ भागो, सॉरी भागो, हनी दूर हटो जल्दी। मम्मी मम्मी मम्मी, ओ मेरी हेजल। डन डन। नमक की जरूरत नहीं सब्जी बनाने में। हनी कंट्रोल द बोट। Wow. You want to go, Papa?
मजा आ गया कभी मजा आए कभी मजा आए
Yeah. Very good.
हम लोग भी पहुंच आई कैन नॉट वेक
कभी ऐसे कर दो. Good.
भाभी उठोगे कैसे मैंने
Something for something.
बच्चा पार्टी आगे चलो
Photograph maybe.
जल्दी करो ऊपर जाके देखना क्या है
अभी लेट्स गो.
ऊपर चलना है ऊपर कभी कहाँ है
Oh, where we call Panyi. Panyi Island or Muslim village. For have lunch at New Fern restaurant. You have to remember New Fern. The name of the restaurant New Fern. We have time for lunch 1 hour until 2 o'clock. Back to the boat. 2 o'clock we are leaving. After that, we have time to walk around. For some days.
Kavi.
And see for if you are interested in something for your mom, your lover, or someone who stays here. Get off the boat. Bring your belongings, your telephone, your wallet, the important, your expensive. Take your travel. You can leave on If you are Muslim, if you want to pray, at the restaurant we have prayer room for us.
Hi, Abby. Where are you now?
Restaurant, yummy food.
Newford. Honey. Honey, say hello. Honey. Say hello. चलो बेटा go. Hello everybody. So what's up? How is food? Abhi, how is the food?
Nice.
All veggie.
And meat first.
Enjoy your lunch.
मम्मी वो अपनी बीच बीच में लकड़ियां देख के
हाँ जल्दी कमरे हैं
ऐसे आ जा वीडियो है आदमी सूख गए
कैमरा मांग ले
Hello, Kavi. You enjoyed the food?
कैमरा
How was the food?
Noodle, so much noodle.
ए जा
Mummy, कैसा खाना?
खाना बढ़िया.
Honey, how was the food?
चावल बढ़िया.
How was the food?
अभी कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है.
दिख रहा है, दिख रहा है. फोन में ज्यादा दिखता है. हनी लुक, हनी लुक.
ये पूरे दिन को तो वो पकड़ से पे क्लीन
How do you know it's girl?
हनी अपना ड्रेसिंग करो.
Eyeliner. कैरी वो गर्ल है. क्यों कैरी इसके eyeliner देख के?
And that's boy, is it? No, it's a girl. That one, the up one.
Go there and go.
No, here, that one. Come to me. It's a boy. Now you see. This is a boy.
Maybe a baby. Daddy, the one is a baby one. Papa, there is a baby one. Papa,
Okay, fine.
That's what you gotta risk.
धक्का दे भैया को।
टी शर्ट वहाँ चलेंगे तो क्या मत दो राज चल दुर्गापुर में तो पैसे लेते हैं इसके याद है
हाँ बहुत महंगा है। Last one. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hello, Abhi. Kavi, how it was? Nice.
Thank you. Mwah. Mwah. Thank you.
This way, Abhi. Kavi, this way. Kavi, this side.
Thank you. I know your room number. Thank you. Thank you. High five. Thank you. 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 Thank you.
And you never did high five? You never did high five?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No kiss. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Hey, you never kiss me?
Mwah. Mwah. High five.
Yay.
Thank
Yay.
you.
Don't bite out.
Proper.
Don't bite out.
Sometimes but
आपका हमारे चैनल पे स्वागत है। तो हम एक नई वीडियो के साथ आए हैं जिसमें हम आपको फुकेट डे 5 हमने कैसे स्पेंड किया हम आपको बताने जा रहे हैं। सो गाइस, इससे पहले कि हम वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं, मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम वीडियो अपना दोनों लैंग्वेज में रिलीज़ करेंगे, हिंदी और इंग्लिश, बिकॉज इफ़ यू हैव डिफ़िकल्टी अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंग्लिश, कि आपको प्रॉब्लम होती है इंग्लिश समझने में, तो हम हिंदी ऑप्शन पे दे रहे हैं ताकि आप इस वीडियो को एंजॉय कर सको, आपको कोई लैंग्वेज डिफ़िकल्टी ना हो। तो ये गाना जो हम वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं हिमानी के डोरे मी फा सॉन्ग से। यू एंजॉय। इसके बाद हमारा जो फर्स्ट विजिट प्लेस था वो था बेबी एलिफेंट राइड। यहाँ पे हम गए और हमने बेबी एलिफेंट को फीड किया। एक्चुअली हमने कुछ नहीं खरीदा था, वहाँ पे जो लोग से ऑलरेडी उसको फीड कर रहे थे। सो वी जस्ट इंजॉइंग हाउ बेबी एलिफेंट लुक्स लाइक। और स्पेसिफिकली बेबीज होते हैं, वो बच्चे होते हैं, उनको ये बहुत पसंद आता है। तो आप जैसे कि देख सकते हो ये सेम प्लेस है जहाँ पे हमने एलिफेंट राइड किया था, कोई डिफरेंट प्लेस नहीं है। तो आप वहाँ पे जाओ और अगर आपको बेबी एलिफेंट देखना है उसके लिए कोई टिकट नहीं है, आउटसाइड बेबी है। हाँ, बस आपको थोड़ा फूड फीडिंग के लिए थोड़ा आपको पैसा स्पेंड करना पड़ेगा, बट दैट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी कॉस्टली। आप फिर भी इसके लिए जा सकते हो। तो अगर आपको फ़ोटो लेना है या फिर एलिफेंट राइड करना है, आप यहाँ से भी कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो। तो आप इंजॉय किए वीडियो और देखिए बेबी एलिफेंट कैसे इंजॉय कर रहे हैं और द सराउंडिंग पर्सन ऑल्सो हाउ दे आर इंजॉइंग। उसके बाद हमारा जो नेक्स्ट प्लेस है ओल्ड फुकेट टाउन। तो ये भी बहुत एक अच्छा एरिया है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, इज़ जस्ट ओनली 4 साइडेड कवर्ड वन, और एक बीच में एक ट्रैफिक है, ट्रैफिक सिग्नल है। तो ये जस्ट छोटा सा एरिया है, ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है। इसकी स्पेशलिटी क्या है, यहाँ पे आप व्हेनेवर ट्रैफिक स्टॉप तो आप बीच में खड़े होकर फ़ोटो खिंचवा सकते हो, आपको कोई कुछ नहीं कहेगा, बिकॉज ये प्लेस इसी के लिए ही बना है, स्पेशली इनको टूरिस्ट प्लेस बना दिया है। जैसे कि आप इस वीडियो में साइड में देख सकते हो, यही बिल्डिंग येलो कलर की है, रेस्ट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग्स आर ऑफ डिफरेंट। सो ये 4 कॉर्नर बिल्डिंग्स आर ऑफ येलो कलर, रेस्ट बिल्डिंग और डिफरेंट कलर की है। तो आप इस वीडियो को एंजॉय किए। हमने भी यहाँ पे अपना फैमिली फ़ोटो, इंडिविजुअल फ़ोटो, वट एवर टाइप ऑफ व्यू फ़ोटो यू वांट टू टेक, हमने वहाँ पे लिया है। तो इट्स ओके, यू कैन स्पेंड 1 hour, 1.5 hour, half an hour, इट्स अप टू यू। सो टैक्सी जो वैन बस वाले होंगे वो आपको स्पेसिफिक टाइम देंगे, ओके हाफ एन आवर वी आर गिविंग, 1 hour गिविंग। सो एज पर योर their scheduled time you have to manage and take photo, and it's not going to take much time because this is very small place. So next place हमारा कैशू फैक्ट्री था। एक्चुअली कैशू फैक्ट्री में आपको प्रॉपरली ये नहीं दिखाया जाता है कि कैशू कैसे बनता है, बट एक साइड में एक लेडी को बिठा दिया जाता है, उसमें से दिखाया जाता है कि कैशू हम कैसे निकालते हैं, बट होल प्रोसेसिंग आई थिंक इट्स इनसाइड आपको नहीं दिखाया जाएगा, इट्स वेरी बिग प्रोसेस। सो दे ओनली विल टेक यू कि कैसे कवर से कैशू को बाहर निकालना है, जिसका वीडियो मैं आपको आगे शेयर करूँगी। और यहाँ पे डिफरेंट टाइप के कैशूज़ भी हैं, अगर आप चाहते हो कैशू को टेस्ट करना तो आप उसको टेस्ट भी कर सकते हो, और आपको टेस्ट करने के बाद अगर आपको पसंद है तो आप उसको खा भी सकते हो। बेसिकली ये आप देख सकते हैं कि रॉ कैशू है, इट्स वेरी कॉस्टली, क्योंकि इसका प्रोसेसिंग टाइम बहुत होता है। उसको सीड्स निकालने से लेके उसको रोस्ट करना, टेक आउट करना, फ्राई करना, सो मैनी थिंग्स, तो इसमें बहुत टाइम लगता है। ये यू कैन सी कि कैसे रिमूव किया जाता है, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम बिफोर एंड आफ्टर देयर इज मोर थिंग्स, सो दिस इज नॉट विजिबल हेयर, दे जस्ट ओनली शोन द स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ द कैशू रिमूविंग कवर। उसको साइड बाय साइड यहाँ पे डिफरेंट वैरायटी ऑफ कैशू होगा, इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन टेस्ट इट, द 10 to 15 varieties around, we have tasted lot, then after
ओ यहाँ पे फोटो लेंगे। सी ये रहा एक काजू, आजा फोटो लेंगे मुझे।
तो इसके बाद हम गए थे हनी बी फैक्ट्री। सो ये भी कैशू फैक्ट्री के जैसा है, यहाँ पे आपको डिफरेंट वैरायटी ऑफ हनी टेस्ट करा जाएगा, आपको बेसिकली आर्टिफिशियल हाइव दिखाया जाएगा वो कैसा होता है, और इट्स लाइक वेरी बिग प्लेस, और वहाँ पे डिफरेंट फ़ोटो स्पॉट एरिया है जहाँ पे आपको फ़ोटो ले सकते हो। मैंने हर जगह पे फ़ोटो लिया था एज ए मेमोरी। तो वहाँ पे डिफरेंट टाइप के हनी आपको टेस्ट करे जाएंगे। जहाँ पे हम हनी टेस्ट करते हैं वहाँ पे फ़ोटो और वीडियो अलाउड नहीं है, तो हम वहाँ पे कोई भी फ़ोटो और वीडियो नहीं ले सकते, तो उसका मैंने फ़ोटो वीडियो नहीं बना पाई हूँ। बट आउटसाइड ऑल्सो, दिस इज़ आउटसाइड प्लेस जहाँ पे मैंने सारा व्यूज़ कैप्चर किया है, एंड इट्स वेरी नाइस। और आपको आर्टिफिशियल हाइव भी दिखाया जाएगा वो कैसा होता है, उसके अंदर हनी कैसे अपना छत्ता बनाती है, हाइव कैसे बनाती है, और कैसे उसमें शहद रखती है, सारा आपको दिखाया जाएगा। ये जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल के लिए आपको दिखाया गया है, लेकिन यहाँ पे एक्चुअली में हनी प्रोसेस नहीं होता है, यहाँ पे हनी रखा जाता है। पर्पस ऑफ दिस हनी बी विजिट, फैक्ट्री विजिट का ये है कि यहाँ पे आपको डिफरेंट वैरायटी का हनी टेस्ट कराया जाए, और आपको इफ़ यू वांट यहाँ पे आप उसको बाय करें, ताकि यहाँ के लोगों को एटलीस्ट एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले अपने कंट्री का हनी और कैशू टेस्ट कराने का, और यू अप्रिशिएट इट एंड यू रियली लाइक इट, आप उस हाथ से खरीदें। दोस्तों बाहर का व्यू है जहाँ से हनी टेस्ट किया था। तो जस्ट वी आर टेकिंग फोटो। आफ्टर दिस यहाँ पे आपको सुवीनियर के पास ले जाएंगे, बट सुवीनियर का मैंने ज़्यादा वीडियो नहीं है। वहाँ पे आप डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ जेम्स, रिंग, नेकलेस, whatever you want to buy you can buy it. So we don't have any plan to buy any souvenir, so we just came out very fast. And after this, the one of the famous temple in Phuket is Shillong Temple. You can go. It's basically the symbol of Buddha. There are a lot of statue you can see in this temple, and this temple is most of. If you're coming to Phuket, everybody comes. So we also just came to see how it looks like. So this is religious of Buddha symbol. You can see different statue inside, and you can see the different statue with the different poses in the golden color. Later we are going to show you the view. तो हम शिलोंग टेम्पल आए हैं। ये एक शिलोंग टेम्पल फुकेट का बहुत फेमस टेम्पल है जो कि बुद्धा का प्रतीक है, और यहाँ पे बुद्धा के बहुत सारे स्टैचूज हैं। लेटर हम आपको इनसाइड ले जाएंगे, आपको व्यू दिखाएंगे। बुद्धा गोल्डन टेम्पल में बुद्धा के बहुत सारे स्टैचूज हैं डिफरेंट पोजेस में, और डेफिनेटली वंस यू गो यू विल लाइक इट। का रेवेन्यू आता है मोस्ट ऑफ द परसेंट, तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा।
चलो ऊपर जाना है, छोड़ो ऊपर छोड़ो बेटा, आ जाओ कभी। इट्स ओके, कम डाउन।
बट इट्स वॉज वेरी हॉट। यहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी थी तो हम ज़्यादा रुक नहीं पाए, बिकॉज बस में एयरकॉन था, आउटसाइड वेरी हॉट। तो हम जल्दी से वटेवर प्लेस हम विज़िट कर सके, हमने विज़िट किया, और विज़िट करने के बाद हम बस में बैठे और हम दूसरे प्लेस पे गए। सो शिलोंग टेम्पल विज़िट करने के बाद हम क्विकली बस में बैठे। इट्स अराउंड 4 और 5 PM। हमारी 9 बजे की फ़्लाइट थी। तो हम होटल गए पहले। ऑलमोस्ट हमने अपना बैग पैक नहीं किया था, तो हमने क्विकली अपना बैग पैक किया, सारी चीज़ रखी, देखा कुछ छूट तो नहीं गया है, और फाइनल चेकआउट किया। वट एवर पेमेंट वॉज लेफ्ट और एनी अदर थिंग्स वॉज वी सेटल। और हम सेटल करने के बाद एयरपोर्ट पे पहुँचे, थाईलैंड एयरपोर्ट पे। फुकेट एयरपोर्ट पे हमने वहाँ वो सेम लाइक कि बोर्डिंग पास लिया। बोर्डिंग पास क्यों ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं था, इमीडिएटली हम बोर्डिंग कर पा रहे थे। और जो फ़्लाइट थी जेट स्टार की थी, और हमें थोड़ा डिस्काउंट मिला था। मैंने फ़र्स्ट वीडियो में आपको शेयर किया है, आप फर्स्ट वीडियो मेरा देखना, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि मैंने कैसे जो कि चीपेस्ट फ़्लाइट थी उस पर भी डिस्काउंट कैसे लिया है। बेसिकली आपको एक अकाउंट क्रिएट करना होता है और मेंबरशिप लेनी होती है, तो 10% मिलता है, और वो उसके साथ आप 5 लोगों का टिकट बुक करा सकते हो। तो कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो अलाउड नहीं थी, आपको वहीं पे वो बता देंगे। और अगर आप फ्रीक्वेंटली ट्रैवल करते हैं तो आपको पता होगा। तो बोर्डिंग पास लेने के बाद हम इमिग्रेशन काउंटर पे गए। इमिग्रेशन काउंटर पे भी तो इतना क्राउड नहीं था। तो इमिग्रेशन काउंटर पे जाने के बाद हमारा कुछ वेटिंग टाइम था, बिकॉज बोर्डिंग गेट 20 मिनट पहले ही स्टार्ट होते हैं, उससे पहले नहीं स्टार्ट होते हैं। तो नियर बाय वी वर जस्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग। देयर लॉट ऑफ टैक्स फ्री ऑप्शंस, तो आपको वो भी मिल जाएगा अगर आपको कोई चीज़ खरीदनी है। तो टैक्स फ्री ऑप्शंस भी यहाँ पर हैं, तो अगर आपको कुछ प्लान है लेने का यहाँ से ले सकते हो फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव के लिए। ये हमारा गेट नंबर 15 था जहाँ पे हम बैठ रहे थे, वेट कर रहे थे। और जब 20 मिनट्स रह गए तो हमें अंदर फ़्लाइट बोर्डिंग के लिए बुलाया गया, और हम फ़्लाइट बोर्ड कर रहे हैं अब।
कवि, एजल डोंट रन, गो स्लो, हनी गो स्लो, कवि गो स्लो।
फाइनली हम फ्लाइट में जा रहे हैं। और जब फ्लाइट बोर्ड करते हैं, अगर आपके पास स्टॉलर है तो आपको साइड में ही वो निकाल देंगे, अंदर नहीं ले जाने देते हैं। और जब आप प्लेन से बाहर निकलते हो इमीडिएटली आपको मिल जाता है। यू नो नीड टू गिव इन लगेज, लगेज में आपको देना नहीं पड़ता है। तो इट्स गुड थिंग कि आप अपना स्टॉलर अपने साथ रख सकते हैं बेबीज़ के लिए। और उसके बाद फ्लाइट में हम बैठे 1.5 आवर एज यूजुअल, वट एवर द डिस्टेंस था हमने क्रॉस किया और हम सिंगापुर पहुंच गए। सिंगापुर में मिडनाइट था, तो मिडनाइट पे कोई बस टैक्सी नहीं थी, बस और ट्रेन नहीं था, तो हमने टैक्सी लिया विच इज़ ऑल्सो ओके रीजनेबल बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग थे। और फाइनली मैं आपको कुछ फ़ोटो दिखा रही हूँ। ये उस एजेंसी ट्रैवल की फ़ोटो है जहाँ से हमने लिया है, तो मैंने लिंक भी दे रखा है अगर आपको वहाँ से पैकेज ख़रीदना हो। आप सिंगापुर फैमिली कोड बोलना, मे बी आपको डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। ये रिसिप्ट आपको ऐसे दी जाएंगी। देयर आर मैनी थिंग्स आपको उसमें इंक्लूडेड नहीं होएगी, तो आपको देखना पड़ेगा क्या इंक्लूडेड है क्या एक्सक्लूडेड है, उसमें ध्यान रखना आप। सो गाइस, होप ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इफ यू planning for Thailand visit, and if you have any questions concern you please message or comment. So thank you and take care. Bye bye. Hope this video is very helpful if you are planning for the Thailand. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye bye.